Hi my angels, I hope you all are doing well. This is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel. Our skin needs to breathe to remain fresh and glowing. However, pollutants, makeup residue, sebum, etc. clog the skin pores, making it unable to breathe and absorb nutrition from outside. These clogged pores later develop blackheads, whiteheads, and even acne. So today I would share my deep skin cleansing routine to keep the skin fresh and also let the pores do some deep breathing. I would also simultaneously review the Oriental Botanics Australian Tea Tree range, which is specially meant for acne prone oily skin. So let's quickly begin. So you thought wiping off your makeup with just wet wipes is enough? Well, makeup, especially the waterproof one, sits in your skin longer than you can imagine. Your favorite concealers, foundation and fixing sprays can stay in your skin forever if not pulled out properly. A good micellar water is highly recommended to clear out every little bit of makeup from the skin. So today I would be trying out the Oriental Botanics Australian Tea Tree micellar water, biphase micellar water to wipe out my stubborn makeup. This product is specially formulated for acne prone oily skin. The Oriental Botanics Tea Tree micellar water also claims to remove makeup, cleanses, balances, hydrates and brighten the skin. So we would also be testing these claims.
So here I have the Oriental Botanics Biphase Micellar Water. This is free of harmful chemicals like parabens, silicone, mineral oil and sulfates. This also has no alcohol and is cruelty free. It's a two-layered formula, the oil layer for nourishing the skin and the micellar water layer for dissolving the makeup and cleansing impurities. You just need to shake the bottle up nicely to combine the two layers before usage. I would take a few drops of it on a clean cotton pad, placing it over my eyes for a few seconds. Please be careful that it doesn't get into your eyes, so keep them firmly closed. This one is said to work even on waterproof makeup like mascara, eyeliner, kajal, etc. Now I would slowly drag it out of my lid. Well, the eyeliner and the mascara came off totally. I find removing mascara the hardest and it doesn't come off easily. But here with this micellar water, it didn't take more than 5 to 6 seconds. You can repeat the process if your eye makeup is heavy with eyeshadows and all, and trust me, this will totally make it vanish. Repeating this on my other eye as well. Well, I'm impressed with how quickly it works, leaving no oiliness or residue behind. Now, let's test it on the face. My face gets super oily very quickly, especially around the T-zone and cheek area. All that oil is also very much visible right now as well. See how it is dissolving layers of makeup including primer, concealer, foundation, blush in just one go. Even the oiliness around the nose is being wiped out. The tea tree, cucumber, aloe vera extracts control oil and acne causing bacteria. Trying it out on the other side of my face? I have linked this product in the description box and you may avail a flat 15% off on your purchase by using the coupon code given on the screen. See how it instantly picked all the products. Now comes the most fun part, and that is wiping the lipstick off. I love wearing waterproof liquid matte lipsticks, but removing them is such a pain as they are quite stubborn. Let's test the Oriental Botanics micellar water on the lipstick. Make sure it doesn't get into your mouth. Wow, it's almost gone in a matter of seconds. No stickiness, no chapped lips. Guys, I'm super impressed with how it wiped out almost all of my makeup in just under a minute, including the liner, lipstick, etc.
Even if you're not wearing makeup, make sure that you cleanse your face thoroughly before you go to bed. as many a times pollutants, sebum, etc. may not be visible through naked eyes, but they accumulate in your skin pores and choke them. So guys, I'm done cleansing my face, and Oriental Botanics Australian Tea Tree Micellar Water did a decent job, and it didn't make my skin feel dry. Actually, this feels very cleansed and very nourished, not dry at all. Now comes step number 2, and that is washing the face. Double cleansing has gained so much popularity recently because it ensures that every trace of makeup and pollutants is thoroughly removed from your face. We live in the times of awful pollution, and all these pollutants lead to blackheads, skin bumps, and sometimes even premature aging.
The next product from the Australian Tea Tree range is the face wash. This again has no parabens, silicone, mineral oil or sulfate. Looking at the ingredients, this one has tea tree leaf essential oil, peppermint, lavender essential oil, cucumber extracts, passion fruit seed cold pressed oil, neem and witch hazel extract, to name a few. I would pump out a small amount and rub it on my wet face. This spreads smoothly and pulls out the makeup residue, impurities, oils that were deep rooted in the skin pores. And this is what double cleansing actually means. You can anyway use this anti-acne and oil control face wash twice a day for an oil-free, acne-free, clear skin. After rinsing, the skin feels fresh and free of makeup, and with regular usage, appearance of acne, open pores and oiliness would reduce gradually. Step 3 of the skincare routine is my absolute favorite one, as it adds a much required hydration and glow to the skin. Using the Oriental Botanics Australian Tea Tree Serum. I love serums as they are just right for oily, acne-prone skin as compared to creams or oils. So once you have cleansed your face thoroughly, take a few drops with the help of the dropper and apply on the skin. This one not just controls pore clogging sebum and bacteria, but also subsides acne. Australian tea tree oil has amazing antimicrobial properties. I've been using this for 3 weeks now, and it did squeeze my skin pores, minimizing their appearance. My skin pores were very visible on my cheeks and T-zone, but now are being slowly reduced in size. The Oriental Botanics Australian Tea Tree Serum also diminishes scars and uneven skin tone, revealing a bright complexion. I would highly recommend that you check this product out and do use my code for discounts.
So guys, this was my deep cleansing routine and the review of Oriental Botanics Australian Tea Tree range. I hope you found this video useful. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and also subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my new videos, and I'm uploading every Saturday at 6 p.m. So do check all my videos out, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye.